In this tutorial, we will discuss the Database tab under Tools. This is another tutorial under our Tools feature series. With the Rapyd Dashboard, gaining access to this control panel becomes more convenient, allowing you to execute all the functions you'd normally do in the phpMyAdmin panel. Navigate to Tools, then Database from the left navigation menu of the site you want to manage. This page displays database credentials, such as the phpMyAdmin URL, your database name, username, and password, with the option to hide or unhide and copy. You also have the option to reset your database password here. To log into phpMyAdmin, click this URL or click the phpMyAdmin button on the upper right. It will redirect you to the phpMyAdmin login page. Simply sign in with your credentials, and you'll be granted entry to your phpMyAdmin dashboard. phpMyAdmin is a tool that is used to modify the database that is connected to your WordPress site. Now that you are logged in, you can create, delete, and modify data from your site's database. It simplifies tasks such as importing and exporting databases as well. Keep in mind to always generate a backup of your site using the Backups tab prior to implementing significant modifications to your database in phpMyAdmin. This way, you can easily revert to the previous state in case any issues arise. phpMyAdmin is an essential tool for developers using PHP, particularly those working with WordPress. The integration of phpMyAdmin within the Rapyd Dashboard streamlines the process, enabling developers to easily view and modify the content in their website's database.